Okay, I'm not sure what happened yesterday night when I was going to go over my post market review. So I do post market and pre market all in one. Yesterday I took one trade. Um, I saw that price was in my level. We had some strong selling volume, and I waited for a breakout. I did not wait for a breakout. We had strong selling volume, and I think I entered the trade here. All right, based on the strong selling volume, and we had a stop loss up there. I knew that I entered early. This looked like it was going to break. Um, but I had my stop loss in the area where price did reject strongly, and then I stayed in the trade thinking like, wow, I entered a bit earlier than I thought. I told myself I would. I would wait for the breakout of the channel. We had the level, we had the rejection, we had a wick, but we had this little wick here on the 15 and the push up, and then price came back up. So I was kind of counting this little wick up here, price stopping, but we didn't have any selling yet. But selling started to like show itself. So I took the trade nonetheless, and then right here I added to the trade. We finally broke out of the channel, and then I had an idea of to adjust my stop loss over here. Price went. I took 10 points exit, and then I adjusted my stop loss a little higher, a little lower, I would say, to right here, and then which was like right above, which was didn't really have a level. It just felt like I needed to adjust it, so I adjusted to there, and then price came back and took me out. So here's the thing: after I entered this trade and I had my new adjusted stop loss here, I should have adjusted my targets a little bit more. So this is what it would look like with the adjusted target. Here's stop loss, and then and I could have taken my both of my exits right here and move my last exit, both of my exit here if I took the exit, or take the exit first exit here and then adjust my stop loss to probably the top of this one right here. And then the price takes me out, then at least I gave back only 4 points versus giving back almost 10 points. uh, so this trade, one trade by itself racked about 575, and then this one racked about 100. um, my new entry was here. So um, nonetheless, it was still a good trade idea. And then what paused the trade from moving lower, I realized that can't really see it. Um, there was some buying volume on the 30-minute, I believe, that caused price to halt. Let's see if I can find it. Right around, I believe it was here somewhere. We had to like buying right around here, I would say, because that helped push price up. That was the last buying volume. Other than that, I didn't have anything for price to move up. I was actually aiming for this, which we actually did come down to after demolishing all of this. Price came down to it and moved up. This is noon time. I don't think I was around there for noon. Nice candle on the 15-minute. Actually, I think I was there for noon. It just I didn't buy because there was no buying volume down here. It was just straight selling and then a straight reversal. So maybe I could have bought here, but I would need a break, which we did get. Right? Did get a break. Actually, do we have news? Yeah, probably have news as this came out. We did get a break there. Then I'm gonna go over my levels in a bit. We did get a break. We did get a break there. continue to our target here, 48. Yeah, so could have entered here. Let's see if we even get a 2-to-1. Close. Went. Actually, it did. Went 2-to-1. Down and then pushed up high. And then let's see here. Buying, strong selling. This would have been scary. I probably would have exited this trade on this reversal. And then been upset that it went in my favor. Yeah, so that one would have worked. I think I duplicated that one. I was trying to remove. And then the last trade that I did see in the day was looking for a short, because I was looking for a short around here. I thought about this one here. I was enjoying the trade though. I thought about this one here. We're going up, but I needed a channel. We didn't have a channel yet, and then the channel started to like form, and then we sold, broke out of it, and then I created another channel, and I said maybe I could have entered here, and then went to a 2-to-1. So it looked like this. So we broke out of that channel, and this was too wide for some reason. And then we created another channel that was broken, and I said, okay, that should be a good one here. And this is just, I was just testing to see what could happen, and then price went, and price reversed. And then for this one here, that's where I had noticed that price reversed off of. Looks like there was buying here. Yeah, this buying volume right here. As you can see, if I put the price level right across, right, see here. Yeah, right to that one there, and then price reversed up. And this is where we are now. So today, trying to make sense of what the market is doing. I'm gonna clear my charts. I'm actually gonna step back and look at the daily to see if we actually even got buying volume, because we had some strong selling. I'm not gonna lie, I thought sellers was actually stepping in. This is very strong selling volume here. Let me just mark this high. Alright, so I'm not going to adjust any of this. I'm still going to keep the extreme. I'm going to mark this one here. Did we finally come to it? We did. I said maybe we'll come back to it later, and we did. Let's see how it fared off. Doesn't look like anything I'd be interested in. Just nicked it. How's it doing in 1 minute? So 1 minute give us a better idea. Don't know if it started up here. Don't know if it went down, but it closed up here. So whether it went up, down, and up, it still gave an 8-point potential move. Alright, so we're all up in this area. This strong volume here, don't know if it's gonna hold. This is 2.5, about 27, so not a very strong volume. What news event came out? Let's find out. Today is the 22nd. Oh, it's already Thursday. So we had unemployment claims, so jobless claims. It should be. Yep. Um, okay, so don't really have much of levels to deal with. All of these feel weak. We do have buying here, so I'm gonna mark this on a 5 minute. But we did get above it, so it might even just be just a weak area. So go, because we're above it. We chopped down, chopped around it. Um, no, it's the strongest volume, but just yeah, just that. So I'd prefer to see price come under and push down. Um, we do have a nice trend, looks like, happening here. See here, narrow. It's getting wider. It's getting wider. Um, is that like a fan or something like that? How does this work? I don't know. Whatever's. All right, so this is very strange. I'm not even gonna mark this. All right, so 12 minutes in. I think sellers might be trying to get control, maybe somehow. We've been really holding this area. Let's go into a daily chart. No volume still. Been rising, no volume still. Still have areas to potentially sell. Let's go on an 8 hour. Buying has been crazy. Try to sell. It's still falling. Alright, it's getting a short. 4 hour. Yeah. So a big move is probably gonna come soon. These have been very small. Strong Monday, then Tuesday and Wednesday. So maybe we get a big move today. 1 hour. Okay. Like 30 minutes. Alright, so that's pretty much it for that. Let's go to NQ. Right here. Like sellers are trying to step in. Do we get that for ES? Strong selling. Right, that's some pretty damn strong selling. That's strong selling here that couldn't hold. interesting fights. All right, so what do we make of any of this? I don't know. We're above that. So I guess those will be my levels for now. I mean, I'll also add strong selling here since we haven't really gotten above it. And then to the right and to the left. And then VIX is the next last thing to look at. VIX had a rollover in contract. Mm-hmm. It's not really been consolidating. It's not good. It's not good. Okay. So rollover price came up here, pushed down. Not really doing much. I said for VIX. So price is holding these highs here. Didn't not breaking up, but it's not also dropping down. So we're just waiting for an idea of an expression. We do have a channel that's been broken, um, but not closed on the 15-minute. So I don't have anything else to really add on to this. I have no idea where the market's going to go. I am going to continue looking for these things here. 30-minute level, 5-minute volume bar, 5 or 5 15-minute channel, and then 15-minute wick, right? The volume bar sticks out a lot for me, but I also have to respect the channel. I need at least 3 out of these 4s, and that's basically it. 3 out of these 4s. Double tops work, double bottoms work. When I get the 15-minute wicks, yesterday I saw a double bottom. Um, was it from this? There was a double bottom somewhere, and I think I saw it on the 1-minute, created by the 15. This is 21, right? So if I go back more, I went back too far. Okay, here it is. Yeah, this is what I saw. Boom. Boom. I said, oh, got a double bottom. And then price pushed up. It was a nice little push. I didn't enter. Why? Didn't have buying volume. Thank God I didn't. Didn't have buying volume. I said I like the double bottom. Um, Probably could have caught this little move, but I wouldn't have been able to hold it. I would have been stopped out. And then we had this, and then price really pushed, got above, and then we had that nice move up. So this would have been a nice entry, um, but I don't have my volume, so I'm gonna really just wait on my volume to see how I can benefit from it, like this one here, and then wait for the channel break. Nope, is it sell? Nope, no entry. This one was one, no entry. This one here came back down to it. And this is the one I was talking about yesterday. And then we broke. Could have entered before it on the retest. But the breakout just seems better. Yeah, this one would have been a nice one. Would have got a little bit more out of it. So that's where I'm at for today. I don't have anything to really add on to it. 8:30 news just came out. We have 9:45 and 10 and 10:30 news. And then Powell's tomorrow. Yesterday's FOMC didn't really do much in the market. I thought it was gonna be a big move, but we got nothing. And let's see what sentiment looks like real quickly and the other things. Let's see what I'm dealing with. Okay, that's fine. Looks like I'll be finishing early. Have about 45 minutes until the market opens. I'll clear my head and wait till then. Yep, so we've just been going sideways. Oh, that's where probably the rejection came from. 10:30, that was a nice rejection. And I didn't mark any of these. Alright, we're kind of just really going sideways. Alright, so that's it for me for today. For the morning. Be back in the evening.